You're feeding the birds at Michael Drayton Junior School. Come and have a look at our bird hide. Welcome to our bird hide. We can open the windows and see the birds. These are some of the birds what we can see here. My favourites are starling. My favourite one is the wren. I've got that one. It's called God. My favourite one is the goldtip. My favourite one is the magpie. Here are our bird feeders. Every day I'll check to see if they need filling. That one needs filling. Lots of different food to lots of different birds. We feed peanuts. We feed fat balls. We feed bird seed. We feed Niger seed. Let's go and find the other bird feeders in our school. This bird feeder is outside Miss Lawrence's class. This is our whole bird feeding station.
When we line up for our dinner and eat our dinner, we can watch these bird feeders.
We made these feeders out of logs.
Then we drilled holes and packed them with seeds.
We made these with bottles.
Oh, looks like there's some more bird feeders over here. I don't know which class this is in front of. This is in front of Mrs. Chipwood's class. You may think that we just only feed the birds, but here we actually also make homes for them. Like up here, we have a bird box. Here are two more of the bird boxes we actually made. There is one up at the top of the tree, and as well as that, around here, there is a bird box here. We've actually got a massive, by massive, I mean huge bird box here, which we can actually fit inside of. Birds and animals can actually come down here, and since this water here is nice and shallow, the animals can come and have a drink, even dogs as well. As well as that, birds can. Over here, this is actually really useful indeed. This, like all the birds which come to visit here at Michael Drayton, this is a border of all the birds we have here. My top three favourites here are the robin. There's also the great tits, which I really like, and as well as that, my most favourite out of all these birds is the amazing goldfinch. To fill up our bird feed, well, here is what we use. Here we have some bird feed here. This is a mix of all the bird food. We've also got some sunflower seed. birds love eating these. And finally, we've got, it's a bit strange, but it's called a fat ball. Fat balls are basically bird food all mixed together, and obviously they are very, very fat.